Have you ever wondered what the largest star in the universe is? A star so massive that our sun would look like a tiny speck of dust next to it? Well, today we're going on a cosmic journey to find out, and trust me, the last one will blow your mind. Let's start small. The tiniest stars are called red dwarfs. Imagine something about 100 times more massive than Jupiter. Moving up, we get two stars like our sun. They're much hotter and brighter than red dwarfs, giving them a lifespan of about 10 billion years. Now, let's scale up. The brightest star in our night sky is Sirius. It's twice as massive as the sun and shines 25 times brighter, with a surface temperature soaring near 10,000 degrees Celsius. Because it burns so hot, its life is much shorter, only a few billion years. Next up are behemoths like Beta Centauri. These stars are 10 to 13 times the mass of our sun. Imagine two massive stars, each shining 2000_0_ times brighter than our sun. But this incredible power comes at a cost. They only live for about 20 million years. An entire generation of these blue giants will burn out in the time it takes our sun to complete just one orbit around the galaxy. But we can go even bigger. Meet R136A1, the most massive star we know of. It packs the mass of 315 suns and shines an unbelievable 9 million times brighter. It's so huge, it's called a hypergiant. These stars are so large and luminous that their own gravity struggles to hold them together. They literally start blowing themselves apart into space. Then there are pulsar stars, which can be blue hypergiants with a mass of around 25 suns. Their lifespan is a cosmic mystery. Even larger are the yellow hypergiants, like Rho Cassiopeia. This monster is 40 times the mass of our sun and 500,000 times as luminous. If you placed it where our sun is, its surface would extend past Earth's orbit. These stars are incredibly rare. We've only found about 15 of them in our entire galaxy. So while our sun seems big to us, it's just a small player in a universe filled with true giants. Now, let's switch gears from the cosmos to a mystery right here on Earth. On January 4, 2012, an anonymous user called 3301 posted a simple image on the internet forum 4chan. The image contained a challenge. We are looking for highly intelligent individuals. To find them, we have devised a test. This post kicked off what would become one of the internet's greatest and most enduring mysteries. Curious users immediately started digging. One person opened the image file with a text editor and found a hidden message. Decoding that led to a link, which led to another image. At first it seemed like a dead end. But when someone ran that image through a program called Outguess, it revealed another secret, a clue leading to the subreddit pointed to a book, and hidden within that book was a code. Cracking the code revealed a phone number. Those who called it heard a recorded message. Very good, you have done well. There are 3 prime numbers associated with the original ... final JPEG image. 3301 is one of them. The message instructed them to find the other 2 primes, multiply all 3 together, and use that number to find the next step. The internet community went into a frenzy. They found the missing numbers, multiplied them, and used the result as a web address. This led them to a website with a countdown timer and a strange cicada symbol. When the countdown hit 0, the page updated with a list of geographic coordinates pointing to 14 locations across 5 different countries. People living near these spots went to investigate and found posters taped to lampposts, each with the cicada logo and a QR code. Scanning the QR code led to more puzzles, more codes, and finally, to another website. Only the first few people to solve the puzzle were allowed to proceed. Then, the site shut down, displaying a message. We want the best, not the followers. A month later, a message appeared, declaring the puzzle over. Many thought it was just an elaborate prank. But a year later, Cicada 3301 returned with round 2. The puzzles were similar, involving codes, books, and once again, real-world locations. This time, 8 spots in 4 countries. And just like before, a select few made it to the final stage before it all went silent again. Then, in 2014, round 3 began. This time, the central clue was a strange, 74-page book of runes called the Liber Primus, or First Book, supposedly written by Cicada 3301 itself. It was filled with cryptic philosophy and complex codes. To this day, codebreakers have only managed to translate 19 pages. The rest remains a complete mystery. So, who is behind Cicada 3301? A government intelligence agency? A private company? A secret society? Using puzzles to recruit talent isn't new. During World War II, British intelligence famously recruited codebreakers with difficult crossword puzzles. More recently, agencies like GCHQ and even companies like Google have used similar online challenges to find brilliant minds. We may never know the true purpose of Cicada 3301, but its legend lives on as a testament to the power of collective intelligence and the allure of a great mystery. From an internet mystery, let's turn our eyes back to the sky, to a threat that sounds like something out of a disaster movie. You've probably seen the headlines on social media. Apophis, the god of chaos asteroid, is heading for Earth. It will hit in April 2029 and cause devastation 1,000,000 times worse than Hiroshima. Is humanity really in danger? Well, before you start building a bunker, let's look at the facts. What is an asteroid? They are rocky objects orbiting the Sun, mostly found in the asteroid belt between Mars and Jupiter. They range in size from a few meters across to giants like Ceres, which is almost 1,000 kilometers in diameter. When Apophis was first discovered in 2004, initial calculations did show a scary 2.7% chance of it hitting Earth in 2029. It was immediately labeled one of the most dangerous asteroids ever found. But here's the good news. With more observations, scientists refined its trajectory. The chance of an impact in 2029 is now virtually zero. It will pass by us, but at a safe distance. In fact, it'll be so close that you'll be able to see it with your naked eye, truly once-in-a-generation celestial event. But what if an asteroid was on a collision course with Earth? Do we have a plan? Absolutely. Scientists have developed several methods to deflect a killer asteroid. The first is the kinetic impactor method. Basically, you smash a spacecraft into the asteroid to nudge it off course. NASA successfully tested this with its DART mission on September 26, 2022. They crashed a spacecraft into a small asteroid named Dimorphos, which was millions of kilometers away. The impact successfully altered its orbit, proving that this method works. Another idea is the gravity tractor or slow push-pull method. This involves sending a spacecraft to fly alongside the asteroid for a long period. The tiny gravitational pull of the spacecraft would slowly, but surely, tow the asteroid into a different, safer orbit. And then there's the last resort, the nuclear option. This is the Hollywood solution, where we send a nuclear device to either blow the asteroid to bits or use the blast's energy to push it away. It's a risky plan, but it's on the table for a worst-case scenario. So, while Apophis won't be a threat in 2029, the work being done to track and deflect asteroids is crucial for protecting our planet in the long term. Humanity isn't just waiting for a disaster, we're actively developing the technology to prevent one. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this deep dive into space, mysteries, and planetary defense, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more amazing content. See you in the next video.